friends, hope you all are doing good. I'm Himangi. So I just thought of starting my YouTube channel about gardening. I'm very much passionate about it. So today my first video will be how to propagate tulsi, or we can say holy basil. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, as we all know, tulsi, or we can say holy basil, is worshipped in India, or maybe in many parts of the world. I'm not exactly aware of that. And this is also used for medicinal purpose. And we can propagate it from seeds. This is the smaller version I have, and this one is the completely matured one, which has multiple seeds coming up here. I can show you. The seeds are dry enough. I have one plucked out for you guys. This is the one which we see. So I'll just show you how to pluck this one so we can propagate it. So you can see this is the one. This is completely dried out. So I'll just snip this one and we'll pluck few more. This and this one. Three strains I had got, and I'll put it in this coconut shell, and I'll just put this one aside. So this one, this is how it looks. So in this one particular flower, it has a lot of seeds. 2 to 3 sets here. So these are the one. And if we just mash this one in this way, so we'll get multiple seeds here. You can see the seeds here. I'm not sure, the seeds are very tiny, but still I'll just rub this one. As these are dry, it will be quick. So after rubbing these, I got these many seeds. These are a lot of seeds, right? And if we can propagate it well, we'll get a lot of tulsi plants from this one. And yeah, this you don't have to throw this. You can just put it in the soil and it will decompose and mix with the soil. Now I'm taking a small pot here. Just have to make sure the pot is clean, as I'm reusing this pot, so I had washed this one already. I'll take I have soil mixture already here, so I have soil. I had put it to dry. Taking a proportion of sand as well. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of water to make it wet. Right? And then these are the seeds I have, right? So I'll just sprinkle the seeds here. I'm sure you cannot just see this because these are very tiny. And then I'll cover it with one full hand of sand here. And then again we'll sprinkle a little bit of water. Yeah, this is it. And now we have to keep this in a shady area for like a couple of days. Just to show you, in this pot I had put multiple seeds, and you can see these are sprouting. So these are the seeds which are sprouting, right? So yeah, I'll update you on this one in like couple of days. And stay tuned till then. See you guys. Bye.